Day 8, your second week. Woohoo! I'm so proud of you. I know that my mom has been calling me every day, and she's doing it every day, and I am ecstatic that she's doing this for herself, and I'm loving hearing her and seeing the progress that she's doing already. So now we're gonna go and add the step today, and we're gonna go and step together, walk, 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 walk. So I have a big smile because I feel like the first week is always the hardest. Now you're in your second week, you're getting into the habit. And so eventually that habit's going to become a habit. Something you want to do every day, just like brushing your teeth. Because it doesn't feel good when it's dirty. So your body now wants to move now because it's going to feel better and it wants to get better. Right. We're going to breathe in, nice and slow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oxygenate. Bring some good air and whatever doesn't serve you out. Bring that vibe in. Good prana. Yes, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep alternating your knees, focusing on the lift and drop with your hips. So we're doing classical theme again today. So it's going to be every Monday. If you started on a Monday, we're always going to be doing classical music. Now we're going to go up on our step, starting with your right foot, nice and slow. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up. We're having a storm outside, so I don't know if you hear the storm, but a little bit stormy. But we need the rain. It's good for us. Plants are growing a bit faster. I got blackberries in the side here on my garden. They're so good. Again, we're just going slow. Now, we're going to switch, tap, left. I'm not using the arms, but eventually we're going to use the arms. Hold your balance. Sometimes going slow plays tricks on your balance. But it's good because you're learning to kind of use more of your weight change. So try to keep yourself centered all the time. So when you do step on one foot, try not to lean too much on that side. Always keep your, we call it the longoral axis. So you have this longoral axis, which is this line, this invisible line that's inside of you. And you want to kind of just keep that aligned. So because if you're stepping, let's switch. When you're stepping and if you're putting all that weight on one side, you know, the body wants to kind of counterbalance itself. But if you keep right foot yourself always kind of centered, and then remember I showed you on the stretch, the L shape, you put your thumb here and then here. This also helps you with your posture and keep yourself aligned. All right, now switch. I'm going to add the arms. Lead from the wrist and wrist down. Up, down. Again, this is basic beginner, senior The goal is to build endurance in your joints, going up and down the stairs, because mom has stairs at home, and I want her to be able to go up the stairs, down the stairs with no pain. So obviously you have to work that out by using some exercise that's going to help you go up the stairs and down the stairs. And so this is perfect. All right, now we're going to go and switch. I'm going to do 4 this time. So I go up, switch. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's give it a rest. One more. Oh my, I see cats. Now we're gonna go up to the side. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. They're outside in the rain, but they're probably hiding. But this is a mama cat. She's usually not here, but she likes to eat some of the food that we leave on the porch. Arms out, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Soft elbows, try not to lock your joints. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. One more. Now in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, wherever you tap, I want you to bring that arm up. So if you tap your left, reach up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One arm at a time. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 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 tap. Walk, 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 tap. Okay, now let's go forward. Both arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now walk in place. 1, 2, 3, left arm. 1, 2, 3, right arm. Now fold forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Walk in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Side. In place. Get ready, left arm. Tap. Right. Bring it forward. Side. Walk. 1, 2, 3, reach. 1, 2, 3, reach forward. 1, 3, 4. To the side. Notice that I'm always making your right foot lead. So you tap, now right foot. 1, 2, 3, tap your left. Now right foot up. Right foot. Step in place. 1, 2, reach. 1, 2, 3, reach. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, reach. 1, 2, 3, reach. Right foot forward. 1, 2. I'm going to do one more set. 1, 2, 3, reach. 1. Okay, forward. This is our last set. And then we're going to add to it. And 1, 2, 3, reach. 1, 2. Now hold it here. We're going to bring your hips to side, side, side. Little slide here. I got something really sticking here. Ow! Okay, keep your hip. So I want to add some lifts, lift. A little hip sway with a lift. Make sure your knees are soft. Lift, lift, lift. Now I want you to bring your right foot forward and soft knees, so it's lift, drop, lift, drop. Working the obliques, the hip joints. Now when I say obliques, if you don't know what it is, it's the muscles on your side here. This has to pull your hip up. All right, we're gonna switch back to the sway. Now this one, make sure you're standing leg, that you don't lock the knee. Always nice relaxed knees and flex. Hip lift, drop, lift, drop. This song makes me like celebrate. Celebrate that we're doing something awesome. Your body's thanking you. Sway your hips. Yay! Yay! You're the best gift, which is yourself. You're alive and dancing and moving. Okay, so we're gonna bring that right hip again up. So we're gonna go 8 counts. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now just walk in place. Woo. Lift your knees a little bit. So I want you to bring your foot off the floor. So lift just a little bit. And now we're going to start putting it all together. We're going to bring our right foot up on 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 in place. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2. Now hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to slow. So we're going to do one more slow, and then I'm going to try and challenge you and go a little bit faster and then come back to slow. But keep it slow. 3, 4. And again, go at the level you're comfortable with. Going fast is hard. Just keep this momentum here. Hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift and drop. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, switch. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So my goal is try to do this 3 times and a bit faster. Okay? So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we try? All right, so let's go forward, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Reach. 1, 2, 3. Hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce knees. Now on 5, 6, 7, bring it up. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. Okay, one more set. 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and tap. 1, 2, 3, and sway. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. That was good. All right, so I'm gonna have one more challenge, and then again, you got the level you can, and when you're like, okay, I'm gonna try, go a bit faster, try it, and then slow down, and then go back to it. So the goal is to keep moving. So what I'd like to do is go up and down, and don't stop. Just go up and down, up and down. We're gonna start with your right foot, and we're gonna go 4, 3, 2, 1, and we go. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down. 3, 4. Let's do 4 more sets. 4. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Hold. 1. Whew. Good. Both knees are bouncing forward and back. Now this is the left side. One more time. Now the left side's gonna lead on 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's up, up, down, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. All right. Bounce, bring your legs apart. Good. Excellent. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Relax. Beautiful. Breathe in. Hand prayer, breathe out. Goodness, you did great. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Yes. Okay, so let's bring our right foot forward. We're just going to stretch a little bit. I want you to bring your left leg back, soft knee, and just kind of bring yourself forward. Feel that heel going on the ground. Stay, left heel stay on the ground. And I want you to just bring your arms to the front and reach forward. Just hold it here. Nice little stretch. Bring it up to the center and open. I'm going to switch. Now bring your right heel and leave that right heel on the floor. Don't lift the heel. Okay? Legs is 90 degrees and hold it here. Little stretch. Bring your arms to the front and lean forward and hold it here. Try not to lock your knees. Just a little bit relaxed knee. Don't lock it. You did good. Hold it here. And bring it back to center. Bring yourself in. And arms up. Breathe in and breathe out. Shoulders all the way up and then all the way down. All the way up and all the way down. Yes, you did it. C'est beau, c'est beau. Shoulder roll, just relax. So all this week we're gonna be using the step, the first level. And again, they're just easy step going up and down and adding our belly dancing movement, but just know that I got your back and I make this for you. So shoulder roll, so it's doable. Okay, so make it so it's doable. I'm thinking a lot and putting a lot of care into these exercises to make sure that they're very beneficial for you. Just release the tension to your shoulders and give some loving hand rub on your hips. Feel the heat, and then if you can, bend the knees and bring yourself down, all the way down. Say, you did good, knees. You did good. So you got the will. The body's gonna give you what they can, but your will is the power behind it, and your will is doing good. You're doing great. You are showing up every day, and I'm so proud of you. So I'll see you tomorrow. and have a wonderful day. Mwah.